Topic: Use of the internet by the youth. Today we live in a world that is enveloped by communication technology. We have the internet and the cell phones. They have become a central force that fuels the rhythm of daily life. Today, more and more youths use the internet and they log on to it for all sorts of information. They play games on the internet, get news, shop online, and get health information. Apart from those elementary uses, the internet can also be used to boost the national progress and to promote international understanding. The internet can help to know the understand the problems faced by the country. We can then communicate with others through the internet and put in united efforts to solve those problems. Through online teaching, the internet can help in eradicating illiteracy, which is the greatest block in the progress of any nation. The internet is the fastest, the easiest, and the cheapest medium of instruction and can play a very important role in the economic prosperity of the country. And without having to travel to other countries, we can remain in contact with anyone, anywhere, anytime in the world. We can communicate with them, know their problems, let them know our problems, and thus dispel all misunderstanding and doubts about each other. In short, we can say that the internet can help the youth to make this world a well knit, peacefully family living in complete harmony. Meanings related to this paragraph: first, enveloped, meaning to cover or surround somebody, something completely in something. Elementary, meaning basic. Eradicating, meaning to destroy or get rid of something completely. Next, well knit, strongly and compactly built. Next, harmony, a state of agreement or of peaceful existence together.